Hi, it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Today I'm sharing with you some blank, ready to decorate mini albums that you can purchase. I will have all the information in the description box below. I have been selling these albums for approximately 10 years, and you're welcome to go on my Etsy website, which is CorenesCreations, and just check out the reviews that I have on there. I will always have black craft and white albums to sell. These are approximately 7.5 inches tall by 5 3/4 inch wide, and the spine is approximately 2.5, 2 5/8. These come with 6 pull-out pocket pages, a 3/8 inch gusset. I have used Tyvek to reinforce the spine to the covers. I've used medium weight chipboard, so it's very durable. And again, 3/8 inch gusset. Each one is a side pull-out pocket, and I'll discuss these pull-out pockets a little bit more in just a moment. But this is a bracket edge style, and you'll get one for each pocket. So this one is the craft. I will always have craft for sale. The white, same. I will always have white. It's been reinforced. It has 6 pockets. This has tabbed pull-out mats. Again, 6 pages. And all of these are made with good quality product. I use good double-sided tape. I use wet adhesive. I'm very liberal with my adhesive, so I make sure it's adhered together well. Here's the black one, again with the bracket style pockets. And nobody smokes in my home. We don't have any pets, so it's a very clean environment that I've made. And like I said, I'm using all good products. What comes with these albums I'm currently selling for $40 plus shipping. And again, you can check out the description box to find out different ways to pay, but you can actually go to my YouTube page, and on the front there will be a link to PayPal. If you choose to use PayPal, will you please consider selecting friends or family to avoid the fees that they charge. Also, I ask that if you do purchase from Etsy, if you prefer to purchase from Etsy, the price is a little bit higher just because of all the fees that they charge. But if you pay me directly via PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, and with PayPal choose friends and family, it's going to be $40 plus shipping. So let me go over what comes with it. With each album, you'll get matching cardstock, so it matches perfect. You'll get 6 sheets that are 5.5 by 8.5. So you get 6 of those with each album. And then, as I mentioned before, I have different pull-out mats. I have either bracket style, which is the white here. These I designed. Or I have tabbed, and I just alternate them in an album. I put a tab on the top, the middle, the bottom, just so it makes the album look full. And if you would like to find out how much shipping is, you can send me an email. Again, it'll all be linked down in the description box below, but it's CorenesCreations@yahoo.com. You can give me your full shipping address, and then I can get you a quote for shipping. And unfortunately, this is only within the United States that I can ship. The cost of the album, it would just what we would pay in shipping international wouldn't be worth the cost of the album. So if you do not tell me when you send me an email or however you're gonna reach out to me, you can find me on Facebook under CorenesCreations, whatever's best for you. let me know what color album you want and what style pull out. So if you want the bracket style or the tabbed style, if you do not indicate which one you want, it will automatically come with the tabbed, but I can do either. It will also come with 3 additional optional pockets, and these are optional. They're already cut and scored for you. You just simply have to reinforce the score mark, press it down with your bone folder, and add it to your book. This gives you the option to either not add them or add them wherever you choose to in the book. So actually, let me use a white album. I would suggest, you can do this however you want, of course, but I would suggest putting your pattern paper on first. You can add your pattern paper after you put your pocket on because it has these tabs. You could slip it down in the side, but I think it's easiest to put the pattern paper on first. You don't have to go fully to the bottom, but I would suggest to go fairly far down, so if you look inside the pocket, it looks like the pattern paper goes all the way. Then use wet glue. Put wet glue on these 3 tabs because that gives you a chance to kind of maneuver it a little. And just also, another thing I like to do is put a contrasting color of paper behind the pocket, so that kind of shows you exactly the edge of your pocket, and then just line that up and glue it down. So that will come with 3 pockets. And also I want to show you, it comes with 2 matching cardstock tags. These are large tags. These are by Mama Elephant. They are approximately 3 3/4 wide by a little over 5 inches tall, and they have some stitching detail to them. So these, let me get another contrasting color. These fit perfect in the albums. So that's how it would look in a page. And these would be easy to trace and mat the front or back, or use this for journaling, or just use like a 3x4 journaling card on it, whatever you choose to do, but they are easy to trace. And I also have one gray album that comes with the tabs. Let me hold it up to the white so you can kind of see the difference. 6 pages as well. I also can make cream albums. These are great for weddings, baby albums. And for the month of November, from when this video goes up until December 25th, if you order an album, I will also include 2 gift tags, because I've received a lot of feedback over the years that people like to give these as gifts to maybe young crafters that have never made an album before. They buy them the pattern paper and some stickers with it, and they can make their own album. Or for the crafters who don't like this part of it, they don't like to take the time to make the album, they can just have the album made for them and they can get right to the decorating part. So whether you want to use these to gift an album with or use them for your own Christmas gifts, they will include 2. They will not all be the exact same. Like, they may have a little bit different color red cardstock. The reindeers are a little bit different. On this one, the tree is the same in the back, but the reindeer itself is a little different. And some may come with craft twine, some may come with green twine or red, but they will all come with some baker's twine, and you will get 2 of them with the purchase. On the back, it has a to and from, so you can add your recipient's name and your name. And it's so cute, look at these with the pine cones. I always add something like this when I give to like my neighbors with some homemade popcorn or treats, fudge, stuff like that. Also, with your album will come a measuring guide that helps you measure out how to put your pattern paper on. Just for some people that may be helpful. And lastly, I just want to touch on, I can make a red album. If you want a red album for Christmas, or maybe a magical Disney album, something like that, I can do that. And I also do make custom size albums. I'm working on this custom album for a client right now. This one has 12 pages of and this one's an 8x8. At least the pages are 8x8. The covers are 8 1/4 by 8 1/4 with a large spine. And of course, these will cost more than what I'm charging just because of all the product used. So check out the description box below. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions. Again, I'm currently charging $40 plus shipping. You can send me an email and I can look up what your shipping costs would be. And thank you so much for staying with. I hope you have a great day.